kids, let's learn alphabets. A. A for apple. A for ant. B. B for bear. B for balloon. C. C for cat. C for crown. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. I for iguana. Ice cream. J. J for jellyfish. K. K for kangaroo. K for kickboxing. L. L for lion. L for light. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. N for nightingale. O. O for owl. P. P for pink. P for parrot. Q. Q for quail. Q for quiet. R. R for rabbit. R for rainbow. S. S for snake. S for sunflowers. T. T for tiger. U. U for unicorn. V. V for vulture. W. W for whale. W for water. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra.